Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Juggernaut case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And as you can see here, this phone case is pretty insane. Huge outer bezels, I guess you'd call them. Phone is sandwiched in there. If you drop this thing, it is not going anywhere. Very hard plastic case. And if you're wondering why this case is so crazy, this is a military grade case. They actually sell a bunch of accessories for putting it on, like tactical vest and all that kind of stuff. So I just got the case and the belt clip. It does have a pretty nice belt clip that they sell as well. The case was $85, the belt clip was $50. This is not in any way sponsored or anything like that. No affiliate. I bought this just because I was looking one day on Amazon for kind of like a tactical style iPhone case, just something really rugged looking. For those of you who don't know, I don't mind a bulky case as long as it is like a rugged style case. I actually really like the kind of tactical utilitarian kind of look to it. I'm actually considering getting one of these for my Galaxy S24 Ultra because this is the phone I'm using currently day to day. I haven't actually used my iPhone much since I got this case, but I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to put the phone in. So the top just pops open like this. It's on a little hinge right there, and the phone actually just slides in very easily. So there it is. I do have a Whitestone Dome UV film screen protector on here. I had to when I sent my iPhone in, they took the glass one off, so that's why it's not on there. But here are the specs on the case. This is the Adventure series. They do have a couple different ones. As you can see there, it is for the 15 Pro Max. It's got a serial number and everything, and it is engineered and packaged in the USA from Global Components, and the belt clip does say made in the USA as well, so looks like a lot of their stuff is made in the USA, or at least assembled in the USA. This is how simple it is to get the phone in. It literally just pops in and snaps down. The case is super protective, super crazy looking, and here is my OtterBox, and it is way easier to put this case on than it is an OtterBox, and it's way more protective. Here is the belt clip. Pretty nice belt clip. I will say it is a little bit of a struggle to put on the first time as you figure it out, but this little piece right here flips out, and it's kind of hard to do if you don't have nails or anything. I don't know why they didn't put a little latch or something on it, but this little latch flips out. I can't get it right now, but flips up, and then you can adjust these tabs on the inside to move these to fit the width of your belt, so it fits snugly on your belt. And then when that latch is undone, you squeeze and pop this open and clip it down on your belt, and then the phone goes in like so, right there. So you can see there's two little kind of notches on the case there. They line up with the belt clip, and she's not going anywhere. One thing I don't like about this over the OtterBox is the OtterBox belt clips cover the whole screen. This, of course, it does not. It leaves the top and bottom exposed. This is going to be facing you if it's on your belt like this, but the screen is still somewhat exposed, where it's not like that on the OtterBox. You can put the phone in, I believe you can put it in both ways. Maybe not, unless you have to do, nope, okay, you just have to do the bottom side first. So you can put it in both ways, so if you want to clip this to like something else, maybe you can have your screen facing out. Like I said, they do make a clip to put this like on the front of a vest, so the phone, can be on your vest and fold down, and you can look at it like so. That is an optional accessory they have as well. They also have like car stuff and all that kind of stuff. You can use a flathead and adjust these screws to rotate this if you want it to be either vertical or horizontal on your belt. That does go either way. You just have to take these out and change it. It's not just something you can rotate. So unless you keep a screwdriver on you at all times, it is kind of a fixed position mount until you change that. But that's what it looks like. That is the Juggernaut Adventure Series case from Juggernaut Case. This whole package right here was about $150. for this super rugged military style, military grade case. I will leave a link to their website down below. Like I said, this is not in any way an affiliate link or sponsored video or anything like that. I just bought this product with my own money. It's something I found cool, and using that link doesn't get me anything. It is just simply to show you guys their website. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.